Today on Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we're preparing a comforting classic, veal scallopini with mushrooms. Rich in flavor and easy to prepare, this dish is perfect for any weekday dinner or special occasion. With mushrooms. 4 veal steaks, 1 box of sliced mushrooms, 200 milliliters of demi-glace, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, olive oil for frying, salt and pepper to taste. Season the steaks with salt and pepper. In a pan, sear them in olive oil until golden on both sides. Remove the steaks and add the mushrooms to the same pan. Let the mushrooms brown slightly. Add the demi-glace and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Add the cream and stir until mixed. Return the steaks to the pan and heat through. A rich and flavorful dish ready to serve. Hope it adds warmth and flavor to your table. Until next time. Faça e coma!